Hello everyone, just wanted to talk with you about two classes that we have coming up. Both classes are via Zoom. This is when we take the opportunity to speak with our boys and girls in separate classes about embracing abstinence. It is so very important for our young people to understand that they have a choice. They don't have to be pressured by their peers or by anyone else to engage in premarital sex. They can make the decision to say yes or no. During these classes, we will teach them how to value themselves, that it is okay to say no. We will teach them to understand that they are one of importance. They must focus on their education and their goals, the principles. They must focus on the skills that they've learned so that they can advance themselves. They must also keep in mind the talks they've had with grandma, grandpa, mom and dad, uncle, aunties, that says, take some time, value yourself, don't give yourself away prematurely. The two classes will be held Sunday, September 3rd. The young ladies will be at 2 p.m. and our young men will be at 4 p.m. The young ladies class will be instructed by yours truly. We're going to have our little private time to talk about all things premarital sex, why we should not engage in premarital sex as a teenager. And if you do choose to engage, be responsible and know the consequences and ramifications of such act. And just to understand there's a time for everything. And right now, as a teenager, it is time for you to get to know yourself, to learn to value yourself, to gain confidence, and to just be the best version of yourself. Instead of engaging in an act that becomes spiritual, emotional, physical, and all of that combined, and you can be left confused, frustrated, hurt, brokenhearted, and in many cases, pregnant. So we're going to talk about all of that. For our gentleman, Mr. Gerald Murray will lead that class. I will be in the class to just facilitate. He will lead that class so that we can talk about the same principles that we will discuss with the ladies. However, there's going to be a twist where it's going to be all about man talk. And they'll be able to feel comfortable to discuss things that a young man feels, experiences, and desires, and understand that, again, there is a time, and so they too must value themselves. They too must not fall to peer pressure, and they too can make the decision to say no to premarital sex and feel that it's okay. So we ask you to register your children. If you have not had that talk with them, as you know, from scrolling our pages on social media, you know that we are responsible. We value your children. We value our youth. We value the future that they will have. And we want them to focus on being the best version of themselves. And we are delighted to be an extended member of the village it takes to rear your child. So register them at www.fromtheinsideout.soe.com. Click event and we'll be able to get them on board. Again, the date is September 3rd. That's on a Sunday. The ladies will meet at 2 p.m. via Zoom and the gentlemen will meet at 4 p.m. via Zoom. Once you register, you will receive the Zoom link. You may join us from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter. It is via Zoom. This is only for teenagers. Only for teenagers, 13 to 19. Thank you so much. We look forward to spending that quality time with your daughter or your son, whomever. They should be in this class if they have not had that detailed talk to walk away feeling empowered. See you there.